Hi, and welcome to Miss Matthews' Littlest Classroom. Let's learn how we can do our part and reduce the spread of viruses and prevent infections by learning how to wash our hands. Proper hand washing should take 20 to 30 seconds, and we want to make sure we get everything. Our first step is to get our hands wet with warm water. Step 2. Use enough soap to cover both of your hands. Step 3. Rub your hands palm to palm, like this. Step 4. Flip your hands over and rub the back of your hands with your fingers interlaced. Do this for both hands. Next, let's rub them palm to palm again with our fingers interlaced. Step 6 is to clean the back of our fingers, like this. Step 7. Twist your thumbs in clasped hands. Step 8. Rub your fingertips in the palms of your hands in a circular motion. Step 9. Rinse your hands with warm water. Step 10. Dry your hands with paper towel. Step 11. Using the paper towel, turn off the taps. Step 12. This is the hardest part. No touchy-touchy. Avoid touching things, particularly your face, mouth, and eyes. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember to like and subscribe so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Make good choices.